Your car is making thousands of decisions every second without you touching anything. But how does it know what to do? The answer is the ECU, or ECM, the electronic control unit. It functions as the engine's brain, managing its various operations. Modern engines rely entirely on the ECU to control critical systems: fuel injection, ignition timing, idle speed, cooling fans, and even emissions. Without it, the engine cannot function or protect it. Before ECUs, engines used mechanical systems like carburetors. Today, almost everything is managed electronically. The ECU reads data, calculates the best settings, and sends commands. This computer doesn't guess. It calculates, adjusts, and protects your engine in real time. That's why understanding the ECU is crucial for mechanics, car enthusiasts, and car owners. The ECU cannot see, hear, or feel, so it relies on sensors to monitor the engine in real time. MAF and MAP sensors measure airflow. Crank and cam sensors track engine speed. Oxygen sensors check fuel mixture. The throttle sensor measures your pedal input. If a sensor sends incorrect information, the ECU makes the wrong decision, causing poor performance or faults. Most engine problems are information problems, not mechanical ones. The ECU ECM optimizes engine performance by precisely controlling various parameters. These parameters include fuel injection, ignition timing, and air-fuel ratio. This optimization leads to improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. The ECU ECM ensures the engine operates within safe limits. This prevents potential damage and maximizes the engine's lifespan. Next, we'll see how the ECU uses this data to control fuel and spark timing perfectly.